Our FFA chapter tribute is brought to you by Geringhoff. Check out the new XFR 50 Draper with 3 times more flexibility than the closest competitor at Geringhoff.com. Geringhoff, proudly built in the American heartland. This week, we're talking with Craig Anthony. He's a freshman member of the Johnson-Brock FFA chapter, but it's not his first year in FFA. I asked him to explain.
No, so I actually joined in 7th grade.
In 7th grade, and what was it about FFA that made you think, I want to be a part of that organization?
It was just the worldwide connection, how you could get to know so many people and do so many different contests.
And now you've had 3 years worth of experience. Have you had a chance to compete at any levels?
Yes, I've done lots of competitions from livestock judging, land judging, welding, and my most recent agri-science fair.
Well, that's fun. How did that go?
So I actually got nationally qualified and went to nationals in November and got 2nd in the nation.
2nd in the nation. How many were you competing against at nationals?
There were 10.
Wow, well that is pretty impressive. As a freshman, that's got to feel good to earn those kind of honors in the organization. Now, are there anything on the farm that you're passionate about that FFA lets you really run with?
Yeah, so I'm working a lot with my SAE, and that just lets me track all of my expenses and income and everything, which really helps on the farm.
And what sort of SAE project are you working on?
So I have a haying business and I raise hogs on the side.
You're raising hogs. Now, are you finishing those hogs?
Yep.
And are you selling them just to the general public, or are you selling them at the sale barn?
Yeah, so I have a group of individuals that gets them yearly, so they're good.
Buying halves and wholes.
Yep.
And that's great. Now, as you look forward, Craig, you've got 3-4 years left in high school. Do you plan to be an FFA member?
Yes. Yep.
What are you excited about as you look forward to the potentials of your FFA career?
I want to get better at all the contests. There's so many more out there, especially with the CDEs and LDEs, that I just want to try them all.
I love that. Try them all, and you've got that competitive spirit, which is going to serve you well in FFA. Craig Anthony, thanks for joining us this week.
Thank you.